Lesson 19. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to play some scales. We'll learn a few new notes. You'll learn how to do pedalling, and you'll learn how to play dynamics. So there's a lot in this lesson. Most good pianists practice scales regularly. They help with learning to understand keys as well as improving finger dexterity and strength. So what exactly is a scale? Quite simply, a scale is a set of notes that make up a key. So if you're in the key of G, you'll use those 8 notes. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G. When we play scales on the piano or the keyboard, we play these notes in order, usually ascending step by step and then descending step by step. Here is the scale of C major. When you're playing the scale of C major, you've got 8 notes, but you've only got 5 fingers. So you're going to have to use 3 of the fingers twice. So what we usually do is we play the first 3 notes, tuck the thumb under, then play the next 5 notes. Here's the scale of C major with the right hand. And here is the scale of C major with the left hand. Always make sure to join up the notes. Make sure that one note runs seamlessly into the next. Here is the scale of G major. G major has 1 black note, which is F sharp. Here it is with the right hand. Once again, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is with the left hand. Here is the scale of F major. This has 1 black note again, the black note B flat. Here it is with the right hand. This time you're going to play up to finger 4, which is going to go on a B flat. Then you're going to tuck under to C, keep going to finger 4 on F, and then turn back round. So you don't use your little finger at all. Here it is with the left hand. The left hand goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Have you ever wondered what the sustain pedal does on a piano or a keyboard? On most pianos, there are usually 2 or 3 pedals. On a keyboard, you'll find that there is usually just 1. On a piano, the sustain pedal is always the one on the right. So if you have 2 pedals, the right hand one is the sustain pedal. If you have 3 pedals, the right hand one is the sustain pedal. Keyboards usually just have 1 pedal, and that'll be a sustain pedal. When you press the pedal down, you'll notice that the notes ring on even when you let go of them. So in order that the sound doesn't become too blurry, you will need to regularly press and also lift up the pedal as you play. In the music, you'll see the word ped followed by a line, and this means put the pedal down. When you get an upside down V in the line, that means lift the pedal up and put it straight back down again. So this will enable you to join notes really smoothly, but by lifting the pedal, you'll make sure that notes that you don't want to join don't end up blurring together. Here is pedal exercise. And a little tip, use the front of your right foot to press the pedal down, and always try to keep the heel of your foot on the floor, whether the pedal is up or down. So it's just your toe that you're lifting up and down, not your whole leg. Dynamics is a word that simply means loud or soft. In music, when we talk about dynamics, we are referring to the variations in loudness or intensity of the sound. These can vary from very quiet to very loud. Adding dynamics to your playing will enable you to play with much more expression. You'll see a number of signs in the music that tell you how loud or quietly to play. PP is short for the Italian word pianissimo, and it means very quiet. P is short for the Italian word piano, and it means quiet. MP is short for the Italian mezzo piano, and it means moderately quiet. MF is short for mezzo forte and means moderately loud. F is short for forte and means simply loud. FF means fortissimo, very loud. A couple of other words are crescendo, which means gradually getting louder, diminuendo, which means gradually getting quieter. Sometimes also you will see two lines which gradually become further apart or closer together, and that means gradually getting louder or gradually getting quieter. So the next tune, Echoes, gives you a chance to practice playing loud, then quiet, loud, then quiet, and so on. The next exercise will challenge you to remember your F sharps. In double down, you will need to make your hand jump around quite a bit from this D to this D. And you'll also get a chance to practice doing your pedalling. Get your hands ready before you start.